At Orator Academy, we're offering summer session, 2 weeks, pick one. And if you've got a child or a teen who could use a little confidence boost and a little help to find their voice and learn the nuances of effective communication, this might just be what you're looking for. Orator Academy sessions are fun, engaging, non-judgmental, and designed to help children find their voice, whether they are shy, chatty, or somewhere in between. We focus on building real-life communication skills, speaking clearly, listening actively, and connecting with the audience. The focus is both on verbal and non-verbal communication. I've seen firsthand how transformative this can be. It's not about perfect speeches, it's about giving kids the tools to express themselves with confidence and clarity. Spots are limited because we like to keep things personal and hands-on. So if this sounds like a good fit for you, reach out or check us out at oratoracademy.com or call me at 973-498-8770. Let's make the summer of growth and self-expression. Talk soon.